Hi, we are Aktiv, and this video is regarding we have made a provision so that we can get oxygen through one gas outlet to number of gas outlets, as you can see here. Let me explain you. Suppose oxygen is coming through this pipeline to this gas outlet. Through the help of this connector, the probe, the oxygen disperses through this tubing. Let me tell you one thing, this connector is creamed with a copper ferrule, which is highly reliable and environmental for medical purpose. The connector, the probes is connected through a anti-static hose which is connected to a channel. From this point, number of channels are coming to the gas outlet ports. Now you have multiple options. You can use these gas outlets as per your requirement. You can use all these gas outlets for flow meters or some for ventilators, any two for flow meters, any two for ventilators, or all for ventilators or all for gas flow meters. It's up to your requirement, and this can be customized as per site requirement. And let us tell you one more thing, that the length of these hoses, we have made this to show you only, for the video purpose. The length of the hoses can be extended and can be minimized as per site requirement or as per end user's requirement. Thank you.